Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free gift cards online. There are several legit ways to earn gift cards without spending money, and I'll walk you through the best methods. One of the easiest ways to get free gift cards is by using reward websites. Platforms like Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Inbox Dollars offer points for completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, or even playing games. Once you accumulate enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and more. These sites are free to join and provide a great way to earn rewards in your spare time. Another great method is using cashback apps like Rakuten, Abota, and Honey. These apps give you cashback on purchases, which you can later convert into gift cards. If you frequently shop online, these apps can help you save money while earning free rewards. Some even offer sign-up bonuses that give you instant credit towards a gift card just for joining and making your first purchase. Many companies also offer referral programs where you can earn free gift cards by inviting friends. Apps like Cash App, PayPal, and even some streaming services provide referral bonuses when someone signs up using your link. If you share these links with family and friends, you can accumulate rewards quickly. Playing mobile games that offer real rewards is another way to earn free gift cards. Apps like Misplay and Lucktastic reward users with points for playing games, which can be exchanged for gift cards. While not every game offers legit rewards, sticking with well-reviewed apps can help you earn some extra perks while having fun. Lastly, joining online giveaways and promotions can be an easy way to win free gift cards. Many brands, influencers, and websites host giveaways on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. By participating in these contests, you have a chance to win gift cards without spending a dime. Just make sure to enter legit giveaways and avoid scams asking for personal information. That's it for today's video. I hope these methods help you earn free gift cards online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any other ways to get free gift cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.